Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Those are watching in this video. I hope all are doing great. I am the grace of Almighty Allah and I am also fine and Alhamdulillah. Today I would like to share about in this video. These videos topics are in my leisure time. In my leisure time, I are spending 2 months and different moments. I are enjoying this moment, such as gardening, watching movie and reading books and indoor games, playing indoor games. So one but among them are reading books is most important for me, and I enjoying this reading books. Books are quality time pass because it helps me relaxation and unwind mind fresh and relaxation for me. When I was a school student, then during these times are firstly reading books as minimum some pages are continuously reading these books, and I love most favorite reading times are types of the novels, storybooks, and fiction types of books. Books are enjoying these terms, and as well as mostly reading this storybook, because it's a learning to entertainment and some types are learning moments, and novels are the imagination and imagination are inside mind, and other types are related to these topics related discussion. So overall storybooks and novels reading are most effective for me, and some of my favorite authors, Rabindranath Tagore, Humayun Ahmed, and Kazi Nazrul Islam. Their writings are very simple, but it's powerful, because her thoughts are very high level, and story are very standard terms of this writing level. And Kazi Nazrul Islam is a national poet of Bangladesh, and her writing is a complex related writing, and it's my thing are very difficult for me, and but I enjoy them, their writings books. And as well as I did the regularly practicing in my English language terms, and in this mostly effective for me in these books, English Therapy, written by Saiful Islam sir, and he is a creative person, because her books are delivered are spoken English, and writing skill development, and most of the terms are spoken related. All terms are discussion and delivered are very effective for me and us, because her books are very important for the spoken learner, and all over the students are reading these books, because I suggest you this in her books, and these books are most effective for us, because English spoken rules and regulation, and spoken related all terms are discussion for these books, and I enjoy reading books in my leisure time, actively spending this moment, and it helps me relaxation and refresh mind and forget my stress, and inside problems are solving. In leisure time are spending in this reading books. It's a better than other sites are time wasting as social media and nothing doing. So it's better than reading books is very effective and most important for me. So overall, reading books is my favorite activity in my life. And I suggest you I suggest you all of the students and people are learning English spoken. And leisure time are spending some time, most of the time are spending the reading books. And inside terms are learning and skill development in this leisure time, and development in our life. And uh, reading books is not only serve to in the entertainment, but also it's a very learning to education for our life, because without education are the no development skill development, and other side of communication development, nothing. So we are regularly practicing in our reading skill, and English journeys are continuously practicing. So uh, I know I'm sometimes are wrong vocabulary, wrong grammatical grammar and delivery. So I will recover my English spoken English spoken are very development in my inside wrong terms in this spoken English. So it's for today. See you the new video. And thank you all for watching this video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.